seng bhalang ba phe rangkat bagi paidbah joka thaiñ Narpuh man tak sngi ka khat sau tarik unai weng arjar arpuar kila khang nanti ya ka surok NH6 ka balik nak thaiñ thirat sipo selsar bat kuide ki jaka kada kolong bagi paidbah kila bitar palat ya ka jengne jong ka sarkar namar ba naslam ba kila dawan sarkar badi ban penbhai ya ka surok rinda ka jong ka sarkar kal sngap menti bat ki paidbah namar ka jing syam jing e namar ka jing sniu palat kan ka surok man tak sngi kila khang ya ka te ka lenti bat ha kan ka jing khang lenti lagi bud lagi kali kila sahkut bagi paidbah ki bade benech ki thaiñ silshar bat kuide ki jaka joka thaiñ north east kila pencu sahkut akate ki jaka ki paidbah nolai nongwan kali thu baka jiksiu joka ne surok la dehok ya ki seng barang bakin persya ban le ya kani namar baka sarkar kam simla le ei ya ki jiksiu joka surok we rang ba na ki thaiñ mizoram le thu bo ha siu bun ka khajana habuya ne ka surok ngi putpa ko josong e pat baka ne surok kolong sa kom ne kidan ru ki balai ro ya kani jing ne joka snong bar ki paidbah nam baka sarkar kan kendit ben riu Henry ka barengo kalong bawa da preng kani ka jing sahkut jing kali bar ki kunjur ka jing sahkut jing paidbah nak lang ki boss in charge of Distrik agent sale Distrik kipat po setia hakate ke jaka menyapan baik ban wangi ya kani kecing ya
हम लोग सिलचर सुबह 7 बजे निकलता हूँ शिलोंग में रात 9-10 बजे पहुँचता हूँ इतना ट्रैफिक जाम रहता है
Vice President of National Council of Baptist Churches in India and General Secretary of Lyram Jesus Christ Baptist Church. So this time I went to attend the national meeting in Calcutta and coming back to Guwahati through Shillong. So unexpectedly I experienced today this kind of roadblock. I oftenly journey through this road, but I never see this kind of bad road like this before. So I wonder why the government is not looking after and not take responsibility to repair or maintain for the people and for the welfare of our nation too. Since this is a national highway, so not only government of Meghalaya, I think it should take the government of India also should take a responsibility. See now, from the morning time we are here, we feel hungry, we are thirsty, there is no tea, there is no food, we are suffering like this. So government or any authority, I appeal to take necessary action immediately, unless and until they open the road. Thank you.
Gulshan Chaudhary. I am from Delegate APCC, Assam Pradesh Congress Committee. So, ma'am, this is a very good initiative taken by those local people. This road is the lifeline of Assam, Barakbeli, Mizoram and Tripura. And from few days we are observing the road condition is like anything. This is actually not motorable. And we are facing so much problems. Patients are going through these roads. Lots of goods are going through these roads. It's a lifeline. But the condition right now, we have never experienced that type of condition in Meghalaya. Always Meghalaya roads are, we feel comfort. But this time I don't know why Meghalaya government are not taking any initiative. This is very surprised. So I'm very much happy to see the local people to make an agitation for this, and we all support by heart and with our total support for this agitation. Thank you so much.